Okay. They have an example first, right? They have three numbers. They gave us three numbers. 18, 5, and 13. Let's say the numbers, class. 18, 5, and 13. We said that descending order means biggest number to... Alright, I can't hear you. Say that again. Descending order means biggest number to smallest number. So take a look at the first block numbers. 18, 5, 13. Say that for me. 18. Out of all of those numbers, which number is the biggest? Raise your hand. Japan, which number is the biggest? Out of 18, 5, and 13, which one is the biggest number? 18. So because 18 is the biggest number, where did they put it? To the front. And the smallest number, what's the smallest number? Jocelyn? 1. You don't have anyone there. It's 18, 5, and 13. 18 is the biggest. What is the smallest? Gerald? 5. So where will 5 go? In the first box or in the last box? In the last box. So you see they have 5 in the last box. Miracle, pay attention. You see how they have 5 in the last box? And then you're left with one number. So that one number that you're left with obviously goes in which box? You already have a number in the first box. You already have a number in the last box. So the number that is left will go in the middle box. So look at the red numbers. They have 18, 13, and 5. 18 is the 5 is the smallest, and then 13 goes in the middle. So let's get to work to doing the ones that we have to do. Now the next one, it has 25. Say the number. 15 and 1. Say those numbers again, boys and girls. Everybody. 25. Now, I have to put them in these three boxes. Where do I have to put them? The first box, I will put the biggest number. Don't say the answer. You just put it in on your paper. 25, 15, and 1. In this first box, put the biggest number, boys and girls. 25, 15, and 1. Which one is the biggest number? Put it in the first box. Put it, let me see. What's the biggest number in 25, 15, and 1? What's the biggest number? 25, 15, and 1. Which one is the biggest? So put it in the first box. After you put the biggest number in this first box, you go to the last box. What will you put in the last box? If I place the biggest number here, what will I put in this box to the back? The smallest number. So out of 25, 15, and 1, what is the smallest number? That is what I put in this box. So put the smallest number in the last box, boys and girls. So, you should have the biggest number in the first box and the smallest number in the last box. So the number that you're left with goes to the middle. So you don't have the biggest number in the first box, you have the smallest number in the last box. The number that you're left with, you put it in the... You guys are talking too much and not paying attention. Everybody done with the first one? Let me walk around. You should have three numbers already. Biggest number first, Biggest to smallest. Now let's go to the next one. We have 71. Say it with me. 71. 17. 8. 71. 17. And 8. Now, we can use real life examples to help us figure this out. We have to place the numbers in descending order. Descending order means largest to smallest. So let's think about these numbers as ages. If somebody is 71, somebody is 17, and somebody is 8. So we have a man who is 71, a young boy who is 17, and a boy who is 8. I need to put them in order based on their age. I need to put the oldest person first. How old is the oldest person? Zion? 71, 17, and 8. How old is the oldest person? Huh? Okay. How old is the oldest one, Irvin? 71. Very good. Let's give Irvin a clap. Let's clap on that. So where will 71 go? In the first box or the last box? The last box. Remember, we're doing descending order, largest to smallest. So where will the first number go? In the first box. So put the oldest person's age in the first box. Now, whose age will come next? Who is the next older person? Hassan? 17. Very good. So where will 17 go? In the middle box. And what number am I left with? So where will that go? In the last box. Put in your answers. Write those numbers properly so I can understand. Let's go to the next number. These are some easy ones. So I'm just going to read these numbers for you, and you are going to do this one on your own because these are easy numbers. Let's say the numbers. 3, 5, and again say it. So put it in order from biggest number to smallest number. Think about it like age. If I have a baby who is 3, a next baby who is 5, and a boy who is 9, who is the oldest? You put the oldest here, you put the smallest here, and the number that you're left with, you put it in the middle. So do that quickly for me. The oldest goes first. The next older number goes afterwards, and the smallest number goes to the end. Alright, let's go to the next one now. I have, what number is this, boys and girls? 19 and I can't hear you. 25 and 50. Let's say it again. 19, 25, 50. I need to put it in order from what? In order from what, boys and girls? Now, I told you you can use real life examples. So we use the examples of age. Now we are using the example of money. If I have $19, Christian has $25, and Miracle has $15. Who has the most money? Huh? Christian. How many dollars does Christian have? Listen, teacher have 19. Christian have 25 and Miracle have 15. Who has the most money? Christian. How much money does Christian have? 25. So where will that 25 go? In which box, Richard? The first box. So Christian have $25. I put that in the first box. Who has the least amount of money? Teacher have 19, Christian have 25, and Miracle have 15. Who has the least amount of money? Hassan, who has the least amount of money? Teacher has 19. Christian has 25, and Miracle has 15. Who has the least amount of money? Try again. Miracle. How much money does Miracle have? 15. So where will that go? That's the smallest amount of money. Where will that go? No, try again. Japan? In the last box. And then the number that I'm left with obviously goes in the. No, we already have a number in the last box. We already have a number in the first box. So we're left with which box? The middle. Now the next one has 8, 28, and 38. Do you think you're getting the hang of it and can do that on your own? No. Put the biggest number first, the smallest number last, and the number that you're left with in the middle. You put the paper apart. And the last number we have 61.